Hi guys, welcome back to our channel where we showcase both Mexican and Filipino dishes. We're a mixed family. I am Mexican and my husband is Filipino. And we want to share the fusion of our two rich cultures through our love for food and more. Today, we're going to be making pork tocino. This is traditionally a breakfast dish, but my kids also love having it for lunch or dinner. Before we begin, we'd like to ask for a favor. Please hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!